Oh, gross.
Got this, Joe.
What
What
the
are you
fuck
laughing
is that?
at?
What the fuck? Junk. This junk just literally
It's
just.
so weird. Fashion going boop boop, it sound like.
Oh hell no!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
How dare you, Ooga Booga? Go back to.
Africa, say
Oh,
it, say it. Say it, you game. Alright, that was racist.
Ow.
That was fucked up. Say you damn African.
God dang, boy. God dang.
That was hard.
I'm not gonna put it in the video.
That was
That's gone. Nope.
that was legit me. You ever walk up to a black man and be like, "Yo, you look like shit," literally? Or ever walk up to a white man and be like, "Yo, you look like that snack I gave my son to pack for kindergarten." What's it called? Yeah,
Cracker.
Reese's Puff. Oh.
Reese's Puff. Reese's Puff. Reese's Puff.
Peanut butter chocolate. Gay. I said gay. Gay went separate. Peanut butter chocolate. Gay went.
We need a beat.
Bitch.
I got you.
Bitch. Bitch, you better fucking add me, bitch.
Yeah. Keep on. Keep going. I got this.
I gotta get my breath.
Add me,
Ooh.
bitch. You better fucking add me, bitch.
Oh.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 We got a white person. We got a black person. We got a Jew people, and we all up in the place looking like you people. I said Jew people. I meant to say Jew person, and then I said people. I don't know why.
We got a Jew people.
we got a Jew people. Hey. When I run up in a place as a nada, I throw my balls at your face and you nada. That is the beat. With this beat is so epic.
Will she give me some time? I go.
Wait, so if you're doing it with somebody, what's your song? What song would you
My
play
song?
in the background?
I'd play
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Sexy Dance.
Everybody has their own song.
Probably
I don't have a song.
Master of
I'd like
Puppets
to
by
sing.
Metallica.
What are you doing? That's abusive.
For me, I don't have a song. I like the sound of her.
Hormones are the song.
Ramones are my song.
Crazy Train to be amazing. You know, you just keep
Look,
going in.
look.
It's just like we're going off the.
Like, shut up, Joe. Like, you be going with me.
And then the girl just comes in. I.
Dana, 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 Nana, Nana.
Yeah. That's what I'm about to do. So interesting.
No one just talks about that in
That's
Overwatch.
really
cool. You bundle up now, wait till you get on it in a bit.
Yo, Allison, shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry.
Good song.
You can't deny
Keep
it.
going.
Shit, my phone's going off.
What the
Phone's
fuck is
going
that?
What kind of ringtone is that?
Fire alarm! Holy shit. That's the title of the video right there. Fire alarm goes off during Overwatch gameplay. Clickbait. Can I do it? Would I get views
So
if I
much
did that?
stuff going on.
Nice.
Most
Double
likely, but it's
click,
gonna be clickbait as hell.
Hey, look! I got friends. Oh, look at them making out.
Is that your sim meta? Oh, they're up here shooting
Holy
too.
shit! Holy shit, sketchy! Oh my god! I never say that. It's so fucking weird.
I didn't know I could pick up two at a time.
Dumba. Oh yeah.
What?
His voice is gone.
Oh shoot, it's skirmish.
Your voice goes.
He said, "Oh yeah, Everett." Oh.
Sometimes the glitching out is funny. My God, dude, I'm about to hum my microphone, man.
What?
What?
Getting mad.
You about to hump your
I'm
microphone?
about to
Yes.
hump my microphone, man.
That's what I do when I get mad. I give it a little hump.
So weird.
Apparently, Willie is about to hump his microphone as well.
Wait, are you talking? Are you saying that in chat?
Yeah, I'm in chat.
Oh.
Why you sound so sad?
Yeah. Oh.
I just didn't
I wanted
realize.
to be a part of chat.
It's just more entertaining when you're in chat. I'm gonna mute you though, so I don't have to hear you echo and shit.
Oh, well, I'm not.
What's up,
talking
boy?
about that, though.
Oh.
In downtown Memphis, it's where the black folk play. And I said, Reaper's coming.
Is that what you said? Oh, watch out for that.
Oh shit!
He got like 2 of them.
It's not her name. I know that.
She's so annoying.
Fucking.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry. I just wrecked this Bridget, man.
What? Jesus Christ. He's slowly being bulky.
I put a mind binder, she just flew on my screen like, give me a hug. It was funny.
It's going hard for that thing, man. Get that second flag. I feel like we're setting it something new.
No, not. You can be guaranteed.
Nah, man. We just added insult to injury. It's just a bit of a dick move, but oh well.